Today's tutorial is all about Snapchat calls. Have you ever tried calling someone on Snapchat but you weren't sure if they were busy? Well, there are a few ways you can tell if someone is on call or busy on Snapchat, and I'm going to show you exactly how to figure it out. First, let's quickly go over how the Snapchat call works. Snapchat has voice calls and video calls, which you can make by tapping the phone or video icon in any chat. Sometimes you might not be sure if the person you're trying to call is already on another call. So how can you tell if they're already busy? Let's walk through the indicators Snapchat gives us. Now, one way to know is by checking the chat window. If the person you're trying to call is on a Snapchat call, Snapchat will sometimes show a busy indicator next to their name or in the chat. You will see a message like user is on call or user is busy next to the name. This is Snapchat's way of telling you they're currently engaged in another call. So if you call someone and they're busy, you won't immediately be able to connect. Snapchat will either straight send you notification that they are unavailable or already on call. Snapchat gives you a polite reminder that person you're calling is busy, so you won't waste time waiting for them to pick up. Another way to get an update of whether someone's busy is by checking the Snapchat story or status. Many people update their status or story when they're busy or in a meeting, and this can be a good clue that they might not be able to take a call. If you're still not sure, you can also always send a snap or text message to ask if they're available to chat. You can simply it's a good alternative to calling someone without knowing if they are busy or not. Sending a quick text gives them a chance to respond if they're busy before you try calling them again. And that's it. Now you know how to tell if someone is busy on Snapchat call. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.